The master warning light is a triangular symbol with an exclamation point that serves as your vehicle's central alert system. This light acts as a warning about warnings, indicating that one or more vehicle systems require your immediate attention. The master warning light monitors inputs from multiple critical vehicle systems, including the engine, transmission, braking, electrical, and safety systems. When the master warning light appears, immediately check your dashboard for additional warning lights to help identify the specific problem. Document when the light first appeared and note any changes in vehicle behavior, such as unusual sounds, vibrations, or performance issues. Modern vehicles from manufacturers like Toyota, Honda, and Ford now offer smartphone apps that can remotely diagnose warning light issues and provide specific error codes. The first step in troubleshooting a master warning light is connecting an OBD scanner to retrieve diagnostic error codes. This scanner will identify which specific system triggered the warning. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of accessible components. Check fluid levels, belts, hoses, and look for obvious signs of wear or damage that could trigger warning systems. Battery voltage testing is crucial, as electrical issues often trigger the master warning light. The battery should read 12.4 volts or higher when the engine is off, and 13.5 to 14.5 volts when running. Error codes follow a priority system. Address engine codes first, as they affect performance and emissions, followed by brake codes for safety, then body and network codes for other systems. After addressing the identified issues, you can reset the system using two methods: a soft reset by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes, or using the OBD scanner to clear codes electronically. Finally, verify the repair by allowing the vehicle to relearn its parameters through normal driving. The master warning light should remain off after multiple drive cycles if the issue was properly resolved.